Over 130 schools in Delhi NCR received an identical bomb threat email yesterday, and while nothing objectionable was found during searches by authorities, there is a suspicion that the threat mail was sent by an ISIS module. The Israeli embassy collaborated with Indian security forces in conducting a joint security drill with an objective to counter potential future security threats. Satellite imagery indicates that 2 Chinese Navy ships have been docked at Cambodia's Ream naval base for over 4 months. That will also have repercussions for India, as it will shorten the time taken to reach the Indian Ocean. Philippine Marine Corps has activated a new shore-based air defense system battalion for protecting its Brahmos shore-based anti-ship missile assets from aerial threats. A Turkish Navy warship visited Maldives on its voyage to Japan, and experts have said that the Turkish Navy is planning to enter the Indian Ocean, including Bay of Bengal, with the help of Pakistan, Maldives and Bangladesh. The first India-Indonesia Defence Industry Exhibition cum seminar was held in Jakarta, and it is to be noted that Indonesia is in advanced stage of negotiations to procure the Brahmos missile. The US and India are auditing Kolkata port, as the US wants to sign a new master ship repair agreement that will allow US warships to access repair services at the port. Indo-US Joint Working Group meeting was held in New Delhi, and both sides held discussions to enhance defense collaboration and co-production efforts between the two nations. The 10th edition of Indian Air Force and Royal Air Force of Oman Air Staff talks was held yesterday to bring the two air forces closer on a range of issues, including bilateral exercises and training. On his retirement day, the former CEO of Brahmos Aerospace hired a logistics company to remove approximately 40 boxes of confidential company documents from Brahmos Aerospace premises without proper documentation, which has raised concerns about his actions, but also shed light on significant security lapses within Brahmos Aerospace, including missing CCTV footage and discrepancies in item registers. Russia's defense export agency Rosoboronexport is currently finalizing the official offer and pricing details, and once the deal is signed, Russia's Sukhoi Corporation will provide HAL with the necessary raw materials and subsystems required to build the 12 new Su-30 fighter jets at HAL's Nashik facility. The 12 Su-30 will be the most advanced Su-30 aircraft globally, as it will come with Super Sukhoi upgrades, but will receive the Landmmark III radar at a later phase. The DRDO will conduct trials of the 1,000 km range upgraded near-base subsonic cruise missile within the next few weeks, and will focus on testing the missile's performance under various parameters and waypoint navigation scenarios, and upon its completion, the missile will be offered for user trials by the Indian military in real-world conditions. Initial design studies using computer-aided design models and geometry-based analysis have suggested that the existing Kaveri core could be enhanced to deliver 57 kN of dry thrust, and when combined with an afterburner, it could reach over 91 kN. If India decides to replace the 84 kN F404 engine with a new Kaveri engine, it will result in increased thrust, better acceleration, higher top speeds, and enhanced payload capacity. The chairman of Kalyani Group has said that the Indian Army has a long-term plan to equip itself entirely with 155mm 52 caliber artillery guns, and this transition will be completed by 2040, and the Army requires nearly 4,000 guns in total. The Army is pursuing a multi-pronged approach that includes an additional batch of 100 more K9 Vajra, procurement of 307 ATAGs, 1,600 new towed gun systems, mounted gun systems, as well as upgradation of existing M777 Howitzers. Today's top 3 comments.
Oh. Tejas.